Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about interpolation in Angular 12. So we'll start with by understanding what is interpolation. Interpolation is a method for assigning a value to user interface element. It is a one-way data binding technique. That means here data flow from TypeScript code to an HTML template. It is also known as string interpolation. The syntax for string interpolation, here we use double curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, we specify the component property. So let's start demo on interpolation in Angular 12. Here I have created an interpolation project by giving command ng name project name. Here project name is interpolation in command prompt. Next we'll extend this source, then we'll extend this app. Here I have app component. Next we'll write code to display GoGetMyGuru logo and string welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart and contact details on header. So for that what I'll do, I'll create a component called header. In terminal I have entered command ng generate component/header. So that header component will be created in components folder. Next I'll click on header.component.ts file. Here app-header is the selector name. First I need to display GoGetMyGuru logo on header. So I'll write here image URL is equal to, here I have to give GoGetMyGuru logo path. So I will go to official website. Here I'll copy the image address and I will paste it here. Next to display welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart, in header I'll write here title equal to, in single quotes I'll write welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart. Next to display contact details I'll write here contact details is equal to, in single quotes I'll write gogetmyguru@gmail.com. These are the component properties which we have mentioned in header.component.ts. Next we'll go to header.component.html. Here I'll comment this line, header works. Next we'll take header tag. In this header tag I'll take image tag. In source attribute, instead of giving path here, I'll apply here interpolation concept. So the syntax for interpolation, I'll write here two curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, we have to specify the component property which is in header.component.ts. So I'll copy this image URL. Then again I'll go to header.component.html and paste it here. Next to display welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart, I'll take h1 tag. Again in this h1 tag I'll take two curly brackets. Go to header.component.ts and copy this title and paste it in header.component.html. Next to display contact details, I'll take h3 tag. Again I'll write two curly brackets. Go to header.component.ts, copy this contact details and this is component property and paste it in header.component.html. Here I'll write contact details :email. Again I'll give colon. If you want you can add CSS for these tags. Here I have added CSS. For header I have selected display flex, flex direction row, text align center, justify content, spacer on, background color light blue. Image max height 8 px. For h1 tag selected text align center, color brown. Next we'll go to app.component.html. Here we'll give tag app-header which is the selector name in header.component.ts file. Next we'll run this project. So we'll open terminal by giving control backtick and here I'll enter command ng serve-o. Then hit enter. So here project is compiled successfully. Then we'll go to browser. Here you can see the title is interpolation. Interpolation project is running on localhost :4200. In header it is displaying GoGetMyGuru logo and welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart with contact details gogetmyguru@gmail.com. How we are getting this? Here data is flowing from header.component.ts file to header.component.html file. Here we have used syntax double curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, we have passed the component property. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thanks for watching.